Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Another beautiful day today here in Pennsylvania. I woke up this morning and it was 10 degrees. And tomorrow, I think it's supposed to get up to around 60. All right, just got the trailer unloaded. And by the way, I love this trailer. A deck over trailer is a really nice thing to have, especially hauling anything on a pallet or like those IBC totes. Works out really good. Got it unhooked. We're going to pull around the other side of the building. I need to make some more room around here. I'll explain here in just a minute. So these are those IBC totes. These are the smaller ones. Here in a little bit, we'll get a couple of these ready, and we're going to measure these up and see exactly how much firewood one of these will hold. Normally I use the 330 gallon ones. These are 275. They're a little bit smaller, but actually need some of these because the big ones weigh around 1,800 pounds. And some people that buy wood off us, they have tractors on the other end when they come pick these up, and they won't lift the big ones, but I think they'll be able to lift these smaller ones. But anyway, like I said, I need to make some more room. One of the first things I'm going to do when we get that track loader, well, I'm going to pull that fence out with the excavator. That serves no purpose at all now, and move this road over and widen everything out and build a real good road down to the wood yard to get bigger trucks in and things like that. It just needs to be moved over because when I come in here with the trailer, you cannot make that turn and go around the building. That's why I had to get turned around, back down, and park the trailer on the other side. But it's one of the things on the list, but it's kind of a priority. So Melissa just came out. Before we do anything else, we have to run out and get a new table. She got a big industrial heat press.
I'm excited.
So we're going to go pick that up. But before we leave, I want to tell you a funny story. In this past week, I met 5 different people that watch our channel, and they've got 4 things in common. Number 1, they watch every video. Number 2, they enjoy the same kind of things that we do. Number 3, they're all very, very nice people. Actually, there's 5 things. Number 4, they've never left a comment on a video. And number 5, they're not subscribed to the channel. Every one of them that I met this week, super nice people, we talked, and but they all said they don't subscribe. They've never subscribed to a channel before. So I'm going to put a challenge out there. I mean, it really doesn't matter as long as you watch the videos. But Melissa and I were talking this morning. We'd like all these people to comment. And you know, some people that don't have a Gmail account can't leave a comment, or they're watching it on their TV or something. But if you can, you know, just get a Google account. Doesn't cost you anything, and you can subscribe to our channel. And I have a feeling there's thousands of people out there like that, because if I met 5 in just this past week, I know there's a lot of them out there. So we're going to do something kind of fun here, a little challenge. I'm asking you, get that Google account, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, let us know who you are and where you're from. And if we gain 1,000 subscribers in one day, and I don't think that's going to be hard to do at all, but if we do, we're going to give like a shirt or a hoodie, something, you know, nothing crazy, but you'll have to comment to be entered to win. So we'll keep you posted on that. But the day this video publishes, I think we'll gain 1,000 subscribers. I do. What do you think?
Let's do it. All right.
I thought that was hilarious. So 5 people. So there's got to be.
I know. Well, actually, when we had the meet and greets and y'all were kind enough to come out and meet us, most of the people, I'm like, so, hi, how are you? I'm Joe.
Or what's your name on
what do you, oh, I've never commented. I'm like, really? Why? So,
yeah. So that's the goal. That's the challenge.
You just need, for the Gmail account, you just need to have your name and email, I think. You don't enter any credit card or anything.
No. It's very easy.
Right.
So that's it. I'm curious to see. Because like you said, every meetup, I hear the same thing.
Yeah. So give it a try.
All right, Melissa and I just got back. This is the table that she got. We got this from Brian. That's the guy I got the pallet jack from, but he sells office furniture to real big companies and hospitals and things like that. But this table actually raises and lowers. You can do it right here. Nice and heavy duty, but this will be good for the heat press.
I'm excited.
Plus there's a back that goes on it, so you can have like orders on it. And should work out good. It's heavy.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks, Brian. But
we'll get it out and get it in the house here in a little bit. Right now, I need to go down to the wood yard and get a basket of firewood. Chris is coming over to put another one in his kiln.
Sounds good.
All right, this basket of wood right here, this is almost all oak, and this is going to Chris. We did a video, I don't know, last week where myself and plumber Jim went out to Chris's place. He's got a kiln, and when he has room in the back of the kiln, he puts a basket of firewood in there. So I'm kind of anxious to see how well, how quick this oak dries in that kiln. But these are heavy right here. This is probably 1,800 pounds, I'm guessing. But what a beautiful day. I talk about the weather a lot, mostly because I like being outside, but I appreciate a nice day. And I'm telling you, it's just beautiful. It's right around freezing right now, but just a spectacular day. Gives you a little bounce in your step, you know what I mean? When that sun's out and just feeling good. Feel like doing stuff. So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by HelloFresh, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, they deliver fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and seasonal recipes right to your door. Like most of you, we're busy. We're very busy, as a matter of fact. We have something going on all the time. And to get a home-cooked meal on the table every day is something worth celebrating. HelloFresh can help with 50 weekly menu and market items to choose from, so you can think less about what's for dinner and more about achieving your goals. As far as taste goes, the meals are absolutely delicious. We've been using HelloFresh now for a little over 2 years, and we've enjoyed every single one of them. And I've mentioned before, daughter Eva is by far our most picky eater, and she's a big fan as well. HelloFresh saves us time as well. They offer a wide variety of quick and easy recipes, including 20-minute meals, easy cleanup, and low prep options. It also saves a lot of time because I'm not running out to the store to pick up 1 or 2 ingredients that Melissa needs to prepare a meal, because everything you need comes with it. With HelloFresh's pre-portioned ingredients, it means there's less prep time and less wasted food, which is a good thing. If you want more information on HelloFresh, go to HelloFresh.com and use code OUTDOORS16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. I just set that one right there for now. I think Chris will be here in about 10 minutes. I'm going to run over to neighbor Derek's. He's got an empty basket over there. I'll go grab that one as well. Levi's going to be busy filling baskets. I'm going to have 10 empties here. Yeah, 10 empties I'll have. All right, back from neighbor Derek's. We'll drop this one off here at the wood bunker. Levi can fill this one up. And many more. right, so Chris just picked up another basket. He dried that last one. Now this one here is almost all oak. I think it is all oak, red oak, but it's heavy, very heavy. Now, you probably have to put this one in your kiln a little bit longer, I imagine.
Yeah, probably at least two weeks, depending on what part of the cycle that we're drying our slabs. So if it's at the beginning where it's a little bit wetter, the temperature isn't as high, so
yeah,
that it will take a little bit longer.
Right.
As the slabs dry. So.
Yeah. You brought a 3/4 ton today, your truck today, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't squat hardly at all with that one.
No, it can handle it.
Yeah. How long have you been watching our channel?
Probably three to 4 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're from down West Virginia up here for the weekend.
Right.
Very nice. Nice day.
It is a great day. Great day.
Yesterday it was I was up at Adam's place where we got these totes, and it looked like this, but the wind was howling. It was freezing. It was about 30 degrees there, you know, for a high yesterday, but it's
Yeah.
But tomorrow's supposed to be 60 and then rain on Monday. They're saying lots of rain, so we'll see. Well, yeah, good luck with this one. Keep me posted on how it goes.
All right, will do.
All right, we're gonna get one of these ready to go. I've done videos in the past, you know, several years ago, but how to take these apart, but there's not much to them at all. Just take these straps off the top first. Just pull it over and take the tank out. Stand it back up. All right, now I'm going to cut part of the side out so you can reach into it to stack it. I think I'm just going to take this section out right here. Yeah, you should still be able to reach in there. If not, I can always go a little further, but just take these first two out and should be good. Now, normally for this task, I use a grinder. I'm going to try both and see which works better. I just put a new metal blade in the Sawzall, so we'll try this and the grinder and see which one cuts better and quicker. First the saw. You know what? This may be better than the grinder. We'll see. I think it is. I'm not even going to use a grinder because I know from before this is definitely better. Much better. We will touch up the sharp edges a little. All right, we're going to figure out how much wood one of these will hold. We're going to call this, I'm going on the inside here, We're going to call it 45 inches. It's really 45 and a half, but we're going to call it 45 just to be conservative. 45 by 37 and a half, we'll call it. By 41. All right, I'm not sure how well you can see that. Actually, you can see a nice reflection of Old Glory there. But we've got 45 times 37.5 times 41 equals 69,187.5. Divide that by 1,728, which is how many cubic inches are in a cubic foot. And you've got 40.03 cubic feet. So we are just shy of a third of a cord of wood, because you divide that by 128 cubic feet, which is a cord of wood, you're at 0.31. So I'm telling you what, you just stack this up just a little bit above this. That's a third of a cord. Face cord, running cord, rick, whatever you want to call it. This will be a third of a cord. That's good. But anyway, that'll work out pretty well. I'm not going to bore you while I get the rest of those ready. But before we wrap this video up, a couple things. Number one, like I said at the beginning of this video, there's a lot of people that watch every video, but they don't comment and they're not a subscriber. And that's okay, but I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Let us know how things are going in your part of the world. Secondly, I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. And lastly, Melissa and I will be at the Minneapolis Convention Center at the big sports show next weekend. We'll be there Friday and at least a half a day Saturday at the Wallenstein booth. So if you're planning on going to that, let us know in the comments. And I think that's about it. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.